Good evening to all. My name is Jerichita from 10th B section. My science fair topic is nutrition of food. In that, I am explaining about vitamins. Actually, our body is one powerful machine capable of doing all sorts of things by itself. Vitamins. Vitamins definition. Vitamins are substances that our body needs to develop and function normally. Vitamins. Vitamins are classified into two types. First one is water soluble vitamins. Second one is fat soluble vitamins. Water soluble vitamins is nothing but it dissolves in water. Water soluble vitamins divided into two types, B vitamins and vitamin C. B vitamin is a group of vitamins we usually called as B complex. Actually, we have 9 types of B vitamins, but in our syllabus we had only 5 types of B vitamins. B vitamins are B1, B2, B3, B6, B5 and B12. Scientific name of B1, thiamine. Scientific name of B2, riboflavin. Scientific name of B3, niacin. Scientific name of B6, pyridoxine. Scientific name of B5, pantothenic. Scientific name of B12, cyanocobalamin. Vitamin C, we used to call as ascorbic acid. Next one is fat soluble vitamins. Fat soluble vitamins is nothing but it dissolves in fat. It divided into 4 types. Vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K. Scientific name of vitamin A, retinol. Scientific name of D, clasiferol. Scientific name of E, tocopherol. Scientific name of K, phylloquine. Vitamins are required for our body to work properly. I will say some examples of fruits and vegetables. Vitamin A. Vitamin A presents in grapes and carrot. This vitamin plays a big role in eyesight. It helps our body to see a color. It helps our body to fight with infection by boosting our immune system. Vitamin D presents in orange and mushrooms. We need vitamin D for strong bones. Vitamin D made in skin. When we expose it to sunlight, we will get D vitamin. We can get from food also. Next one is vitamin E. Vitamin E presents in olives and cabbage. Everybody needs vitamin E. This vitamin E protects our cells and tissues from damage. It also important for health of red blood cells. Next one is vitamin K. Vitamin K presents in green pear and cauliflower. Vitamin K we usually call as a clot master. Suppose when we get a cut to our body, in fraction of seconds there is something clotting. It happens by vitamin K. It helps to stop the bleeding. Next one is vitamin C. We usually called as ascorbic acid. It presents in pineapple and lemon. This vitamin also helps our body to resist infection. This vitamin helps our body to get a cut or wound because it helps to heal it. One is B vitamin. These are groups of B vitamins. B1, thiamine. Thiamine presents in apple and corn. B2, riboflavin. It presents in blackberries and radish. B3, niacin. It presents in avocado and peas. B6, pantothenic. It presents in pomegranate and spinach. Cyanocobalamin, B12. It is created by bacteria. Group of vitamins also involved in making red blood cells, which carry oxygen throughout our body. Every part of our body needs oxygen to work properly. So these vitamins have a really important job. B12 vitamin is different from all other vitamins. It is created by bacteria. It prepares their own food. It can be only found naturally in animal products. You don't get from the fruits and vegetables. These vitamins are very important to our body to work properly. We have to eat these fruits and vegetables. Thank you so much for giving this opportunity.